Creating products with ELIX is incredibly easy. To begin, tap on the Create Product button in the upper right. Then, fill out basic information on your product, like name, price per unit, and category. You can use categories to help people find your items more easily. On the next page, add more details about your campaign. Choose a name and compelling tagline for your product. Then, choose the price per unit, number of units, and the production time. Decide on a product cart image that will appear in your project's thumbnail. You can then specify whether the item needs to be shipped. Click Next to navigate the content screen. You'll be able to upload up to 3 detailed photos and a YouTube or Vimeo URL about your product. This will help viewers get a deeper understanding of exactly what you're making. After your product video, you can add a longer description about your item. Provide details on your product, features, and any other useful information, like how buyers can expect to receive the item. Click Next and finish up adding your product by specifying shipping information. You can easily add a variety of shipping options for different locations across the world. For each location, set the cost of shipping. If you're still figuring out how much it will cost or you don't have time yet, no problem. You can just choose the option, Determine Shipping Prices by contacting buyers individually. Products you create will appear on your dashboard, where you can inspect them and view product details. You'll be able to easily see the product name, tagline, and other details, like description and detailed photos. You'll also be able to see the product's status. When you first submit the product, it will have a status of Submitted until it's been approved. After that, we'll let you know when the product is live. We hope you've enjoyed this demo video for the ELIX web portal. Create your first product or campaign on the ELIX website at elixirtoken.io.